Hey guys. Woo! I'm far. Look at the sky. So today I'm gonna get adjusted. I don't think I ever mentioned before, but I have crazy back issues. I was in an accident in 2014 and I always had back issues growing up, to be honest. So babe got me, this is one of my Christmas gifts, but I finally got a spot with DrZevTV. He's kind of famous on Instagram he's a chiropractor. So we are here, over there. Wait, what am I doing? Yeah, but anyway, yeah, there. She's gonna record it. Don't laugh at me, I'm a baby. It's super intense, it's a full body adjustment. This should be fun. Alrighty.
Alright guys, so I know we told you that Toya came to get her back adjustment, but he is apparently also going to do mine, so that makes me a little bit nervous because I wasn't expecting that so soon, so quick, and I just know that this is going to be a test of my strength, y'all. So see y'all in a minute. Y'all, she didn't rope me into her crap, y'all. This one right here. Then rubbed me into it because she was scared to be back going by herself. They gonna call me a baby.
The guy said, can she come in? Can she do it too? She wanted to. Is there space? You guys have availability? And he says, yeah, she can go on the same table with you if you want. I looked at her like, obviously I thought about that in the wrong way.
Nah, y'all. Sorry, the camera moved just a little bit ago. But, she trying to make me be hurt for my client later on today. That's what she's trying to do. She's trying to make me hurt.
Girl, why do you have these Greek letters on here?
Because I am Greek.
Shit, that should be $1 million.
Everybody's thing has that.
So now I think y'all remember that we came here for me. Guess who ended up on the table? She is getting herself straightened out. Ooh, look at that booty. Look at that booty. Look at that booty. A little education for you guys. Doctor!
Oh, you mean Toya?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I meant. I was just looking up. Hi. I'm just looking at your x-rays here.
Do you mind me recording?
No,
Huh? Look broken down.
I mean, it's not the worst spine I've ever seen. But how old are you?
I'm 27.
It's definitely not where it needs to be for 27. And we don't need to have a perfect spine, but we want the best shape possible. X-ray just shows a lot of straightening in your neck. In fact, it's starting to reverse down at the lower. So what I mean is, you see the outline I'm making with my finger?
Mm-hmm.
That's where it should be going, in this direction, almost like a banana.
Mm-hmm.
Yours isn't doing that. Pull up a little bit. There you are. All right. See that right through there? So very straight. It's creating a lot of compression on your joints. It's going to wear them down earlier, meaning the joint cartilage, and we're starting to see that at the lower neck. You have a lot of compression in your upper neck as well. I should be able to almost take my finger and put it in between where your brain and your spine connect. Can I do that? See how I overlap? You can't even see it. And that's because of how tight that margin is through there.
Right.
Now, why that's happening is because as the spine straightens and it loses its natural alignment, the skull naturally starts to drop down and compress that, so it does this. Okay? And that's what we're seeing. If it sits there long enough, it becomes that pattern, and that's what's happening on your x-ray. That's what's going on in your neck. we look at your low back, and you have better shape right through here, but what happens is it reverses. You see how it goes in this direction? And these bones all should have been going in that direction. Now, the reason we even look at structure isn't really because of bones, it's what sits behind the bone. And you see these openings right here? That's where your nerves and blood vessels run through. So if I'm your nerve, you see these black holes? I'm happy when I'm running out of something that's real open and wide. But look, as we get down into that lower back, that thing gets real tight. Now, we don't need it to be the exact same size, but we don't need it to be that small either. That's working against you, not for you, okay? So why I'm pointing that out to you is because, again, as the shape of our spine changes, it starts to add so much load and compression, not overnight, but over time, it starts to show up by calcified, worn down spinal structures. You know, and that's what we're seeing, our premature aging in the spine, kind of like the teeth and the gums can wear down early. That's what's happening here in the back. And then your back from a front view just has a slight lean in it, but other than that, nothing really significant. That's jumping out at me at least. You know, this view, yes, but not that view. Yeah, I don't see scoliosis in this actually.
I mean, I don't know if it, you know, it got better because I had to do like sitting techniques and stuff.
Yeah, well maybe you worked on it and it got help. Yeah. Okay. So Victoria's ears are up there. We'll go over those next. Where are you guys from?
I'm originally from Missouri.
Okay. Cool.
I'm from Trinidad.
Nice. Look to the right for me.
All right.
This one, yeah. I'm gonna start right here. Look to the left.
Relax, just let him go.
Lay on the right side, face me, okay? This side, over here.
Right side.
Flex this leg. This leg's coming up top like this. This leg straight like that. Roll that hip in. There you go. Other side.
Breathe out.
Let me have this leg. This leg straight like this. Roll that hip. On your back there.
I ain't getting no reaction.
That's 10 at a time, man.
Grab
That's good.
my hand. Come on up with this hip. Big hugs. Let the body go back. Good. Body go all the way back. Oh, yeah. Okay, this might be a little sensitive as well.
You're getting beat up.
You just gotta move some things around. Good, back down. Keep it together. Back to the head. You'll feel me rock back. You okay with me leaning on your chin like that?
Oh, Lord.
Dr. Zev getting her right.
That's it. Adjust your soul when I touch your spine.
She said, "Oh Lord, I like that one, Doc."
I'm crying.
How you feel?
I don't know.
Give it time. Give it time.
Exactly. The healing begins now. Of the spine, no shape, you've lost a lot of that unnatural alignment. That's why that's so important for us to keep. Again, we don't need perfect, but why we want that shape and contour is because the shape of the spine protects the cord. So as our spine starts to do this, it introduces tension into the cord. That's how the brain sends all of its electrical vibration through the spinal cord. All of its power, strength, and energy first goes through cord before it goes through nerve. Does that make sense? So if I'm doing this first, that message goes from my brain through my cord into my nerves and then into my muscle. Does that make sense? But where it can get blocked or restricted or dimmed or inflamed or tense first is here. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So we look always at the root first, and your spine is just very straight, and then it has that lean to it. When we get into your low back, you have great shape in your low back. You see this direction your spine's going in? Now compare that to your neck.
Yeah.
You see the difference now?
It's
Polarized.
straight.
It's just so the bones are just stacked on top.
Yeah.
And that's a sign of compression and irritation, okay? So we come through here in much better shape. Only thing I'll point out, very similar to her, is that you have some narrowing down there and that bone's almost touching that bone. Can you see that right
Yeah,
here?
I have this sore all the time.
Yeah,
right there.
that's why it's sore. So now you have a visual to match why, and we'll get on that and start to move it. And then you have a slight opposite lean that she had. Hers is on the left, yours is more on that right hand side.
That's from this
So I'm
driving.
gonna, probably. Either way, I'm gonna get to work on it.
Oh, I literally got explanations of all the pain I have there.
That's why they say a picture's worth 1,000 words. Okay, let's actually start for you right in the chair. Watch this. Come close for the interview.
Oh shit.
But right here. Come right over.
Let me relax.
Oh yeah, want to take these glasses off.
Oh my god.
I'm going to give you the most powerful adjustment I can give you possible. Relax that head. Drop that head in my head. Drop that shoulder. Let the head go. Let the head go. Relax. I got you. Let the head go.
Oh! That felt really freaking good. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god.
Drop that in my head. Let that head go a little bit more for me.
That one hurt.
Ooh, gotta release, girl.
Oh man, let that settle. Let the spinal dust settle.
Yeah.
We just took the plaque off your back.
That's wild.
Yeah, that's like a shot of tequila.
Yeah.
That's
right?
wild.
Lay on the right shoulder.
Oh.
Face me on this side. Face me on this side. I'm gonna have to airdrop that one to me.
I will.
That one. This hand's coming up here like this. Good. Roll that hip in. Good. Relax that hip. Yeah, I got it. I'll take it from here so you need to arch. There you go. Other side for me.
Flip our way.
On your back, yeah.
Oh shit.
Big hug.
That's the one.
Oh yeah.
Now slide down towards your feet. Nothing like an adjustment.
Oh yeah. Do what with my hands?
On your stomach, it's fine.
Oh no.
Teeth, you gotta. What I want you to do is look back on your day.
Ah! Oh! Oh yeah. Sorry, that's loud.
Go!
Woo.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Excellent.
That last one
One shot.
was everything.
Yes, ma'am.
I felt every.
That's what I said when you were like, what if just not getting the relief, like no, like commentary and nothing. I was trying to like wrap my brain
Interpret it.
around what was going on.
Oh, that was nice. Thank
Really nice
you,
meeting you.
sir.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you
Nice
so
meeting you guys
much.
both. We have one more thing I'm going to do to call out for you guys, just that it's complimentary.
That shit is crazy.